Hey friends, if you wish to generate system health report, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now remember this command. I will also share it in the description section, which is perf1 space / report. Copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it and hit enter. Now this will open the resource and performance monitor tool, which will collect the data for 60 seconds. Okay, and then it will give a status report. So this is one thing. You can also search for resource and performance data. Okay, and you can open the resource monitor, which will also give you a dynamic report of the system processes of all CPU, disk, network, and memory. So, network you might be knowing is the internet, CPU is the CPU itself, disk is the hard disk, and memory basically refers to the RAM. This is how you can generate system report. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.